Hey girl, what do you think of my new hair? You look like that girl from Lazy Town.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Man, I wish I could go back to when my hair was long and black. I wish there was some way I could go back in time. What's this? Interesting. Maybe this guy can fix my hair. I'd give it a shot. Hello? Is anyone here? Hello? Is there anyone in here?
Definite inner girl with linear emotions. Definite inner girl with linear emotions. You need my help. No. I never get any customers.
Are you the person who put up the sign for the science experiment?
I am that guy. You need help?
Yeah, I do need your help. I'd be willing to sit down and talk with you about whatever it is.
Yeah, let's go somewhere else. This is the recreation room. You caught me at the wrong time. It's fine though. It's fine. Let's go. Trust me, it's fine. It's upstairs. That's where my room is. It's in here. This is the room.
So, what exactly is this experiment?
Well, this experiment is very dangerous.
Dangerous how? Like, what exactly are you gonna do in the experiment?
Here, I'll show you. I compiled a complex algorithm that'll tell you how to go back in time. Basically, what you do is, here's the algorithm. Basically, what you do is you take 7x plus 3x squared minus 8x log to the x squared over 2x.
2 hours later.
And finally, you take 82.77 and divide that by 8x. Yep, I'm definitely gonna need help from my assistant. Let me call him up real quick. I don't think you met him. He's kind of weird.
Oh my gosh, not this again. What do you want?
Hey man, yeah, it's me. I need you again. Yeah, I got a problem and need some solving. Yeah, please come quick.
Yeah, okay, I got you, man. I'll be there soon.
Oh, you made it! Wow.
Yeah.
Kind of slow, but it's fine.
Okay.
So I have this problem here. We're trying to get her to go back in time because she wants your hair, right?
Yeah, I want to fix my hair.
Okay, yeah.
So that shouldn't be too bad at all.
Yeah. So what do you think, man? Take your time. I know you're kind of. That's why I called you. But no, it's fine. Take your time. This is what I've gotten so far, but we can go ahead and work on it if you want.
Well, personally, I think that's a little fucked because your writing's a little kind of a little bit.
Oh, what do you mean? That's why I always got a higher grade than you. Yeah, so you take the derivative of this, and you take the log of this times the exponent. See, this is crystal clear mathematics here. And then there it is, the final function. It's finally done it. You will go back in time.
Wow.
Thankfully done it.
There have been no mistakes made here. I have quadruple checked this.
Okay.
You want to go look at the time machine?
Yeah,
Let's
let's
do
go.
it. Here, man. Make yourself useful. Let's go. So basically, the time machine is like based on a hierarchy.
Gosh, it's gonna look like an idiot just like me. Alright, lady, are you listening? I'm only gonna explain this once. Alright, so this is the area of your life. Think of it as a math equation. Think of it as an integral. So, this is when your life is decelerating. This is when you are fine, you have your pink hair, right?
Oh my gosh, bro, what are you saying? What?
Dude.
You're saying it wrong, man.
What do you mean?
I got you. Hold on. Alright, let me explain how the time machine actually works, okay? And so, your current position in time, or your velocity, is either accelerating or at a is constant or decelerating, right? But it doesn't matter what you are, time keeps moving on, right? And what you want to do is you want to go back in time, right? So what you want to do is you want to take the area under the curve for the position you want, all right? So if you want to go back in time, let's say 5 years, and this is 5, you want to take the area between now and 5. So we're going to use the integral to take you back in time. And so we've already found the integral. We found the answer last time. I found, he didn't do anything. I found the answer last time, right? And so the distance traveled, we'll show you how to do that as well, because I want you to know how to do it. The distance traveled is the area under the graph, all right? And those intervals are found by what year you want to go back in time to, right? Life is basically a graph, right? It's not as philosophical as you think, but it's true, right? And so how do you find this acceleration or deceleration? Well, it can be found by taking the gradient of the line. Gradient is the derivative, right, assistant?
Correct.
Finally, you said something correct. Oh, yes. Ah, wow.
Okay.
Intriguing, yes.
If we don't. So, we found the total distance formula. So this is the entire distance that you want to travel back in time under. It's the time. So it doesn't matter how good or bad your life is going in terms of it increasing or decreasing or positive or negative. We found the total distance by taking the absolute value of the equation. So we took the absolute value. So it does the entire value. So go back to 2016 before you had your colored hair.
Here it is, the final formula. This is it, the time machine. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Alright, basically go in here and you push this button. That's it. You'll
Got it.
see
Only that
yourself
button,
in
got it.
2016
Okay, without pink hair, right?
without
No
pink hair.
Okay.
Don't move around too much.
It worked!
What a lovely day. Smell this flower.
Hey, you! What year is it?
Where did you come from? It's 2016.
26. Wait, why are your hands so small?
Small?
Why are my hands so small? What?
Well, those are the tiniest hands I've ever seen. Oh
Why?
my goodness.
Wait, why are your hands so small?
They're always small. What are you talking
No.
about?
What do you mean?
They've always been small. This is normal. But your hands are so small. Honestly, they're the tiniest hands I've ever seen.
2016, that means it worked.
What worked?
The time machine.
Time machine.
No, listen. I came from 2018. I dyed my hair pink.
I'm sorry,
in
I
2018.
can't. I've been scared
No,
before.
no, listen.
I don't want to give you my money.
No, I don't want your money. Listen. In 2018, people's hands were normal sized, not small like this or that, and my hair was pink. But I came
Lady,
to
your
these two
hands are the
scientists.
tiniest
No, I
hands
went
I've
to
ever
these
seen.
two scientists,
Okay.
and they did something with integrals or something like that.
Integrals.
What do you know about integrals?
I am the master of integrals.
These two scientists, when I work with them, one of them is really tall, really lanky, tall, skinny dude, a white guy. He looked kind of like a pipe cleaner.
Oh, you're talking about Q-Tip. I taught him.
How do you know?
I taught
Q-tip?
him.
No, but there was another one. There was a shorter dude, a scientist who had a magnificent beard, and I'm pretty sure he listened to Drake.
Oh, brown sugar. They were hanging out
Brown
together?
sugar?
Are you sure?
I'm sure
They
I
hate
went.
each other.
What? I went to them for help. They were working together. The pipe Q-tip dude or whatever was the other guy's assistant.
Oh no. Something must have gone wrong because they hate each other. Ever since I gave them that integral quiz back in 2012.
So you're their math teacher?
I
You
was
were?
their math teacher.
So can you help me?
Well, I think I can. I just need a few days to figure out this time travel thing. Meet me in my classroom in a few days.
The next day.
Have you figured out how to get me back to the future yet?
I think so. I've been working on this all night. I'm pretty sure it's right. So, whenever you want to time travel, you have to figure out the equation of time and space, which is represented here by f of t. And as you can see in this graph right here, time and space are related. You need to manipulate each variable and each of these applications of integrals in order to get the equation to travel back in time. So for volume of rotation, this represents space, the space part of time and space. And when you do volume of rotation, you take a normal integral, as seen here, imagine it's not there, and you add a pi in order to account for the 360 degrees that you'll be forming when you rotate this graph right here. And you also square it. When you're finding the first part, after you square it, you take this whole first part and add it to when you take the integral and you're finding the total distance. The total distance part. So when you're finding total distance, you want to make sure to add absolute value bars in your integral to make sure it's always positive, because distance is always positive. I've seen this here. Since you said you traveled back time 2 years, correct?
Correct.
0 right here represents the time from when you time travel. So like right now. If you time travel right now, back 2 years, you're gonna go from 0 to 2. And then you take this whole answer, and this whole answer, and you add them together. And that's how you get the equation for time travel. And based on what you gave me, and what they used, the equation they used, this is what I have.
So did you figure out what went wrong?
Not exactly. I was hoping you could tell me.
Okay,
But
the equation looks very familiar, but I don't think there was a plus c at the end. I don't remember seeing a plus c at the end.
plus C.
Yeah, there was no plus c in their equation.
So essentially, they've missed out on. That's probably why you have tiny hands. They didn't account for the plus C when I solved for the plus C. So there would be a 3 right here, but they just used this equation right here.
So they forgot the plus c, and that's
Yes.
why everything is.
That's why
messed up
everything's
here.
all weird.
Oh. So this is where I came out of the time machine.
Okay, so this is where they built their time machine.
Does that mean when I go back into the future, I'll have tiny hands still?
According to my calculation, yeah, you will. You will have time.
I will have tiny hands. Okay, but then how are we gonna fix that? How will I get back to normal?
I believe brown sugar and Q-tip will be able to help you.
So they have to. Okay, so we'll fix it when I get back there.
Yes.
Okay.
Get into this time machine, I'll send you back.
No, never again.
Guys, I'm back.
How'd she want it? How'd she get back?
Guys,
Oh shoot.
why do you have tiny hands? Don't you realize your hands are small?
What do you mean? These are normal hands.
Well, you see,
Well, your hands are already tiny.
yeah, my hands are small. That's the problem. You sent me back, you messed up the time machine, and it ended up with everyone having smaller hands than they needed to.
What do you mean?
I talked to a math teacher who was actually your math teacher,
Mr.
Bowers.
Yeah.
and he helped me figure out what went wrong with the time machine. You guys don't have normal hands. You have to trust me.
No. My algorithm was perfect.
You want to go back and
There's nothing
find
wrong
out.
with
He
it.
said there was no plus C.
What do you mean? I never forget the plus C.
There was no plus C when you made the algorithm for the
I
time
can show
machine.
you the board. Let's go. Let's go, Q-tip. Here, let me show you my work. Aha, there it is. See, look. Look at this. Perfect. I don't see any mistakes in this whatsoever.
There's no plus C, look.
What do you mean? Someone must have erased it. What? Did you do this?
Maybe I did. What are you gonna do about it?
You erased the plus C. That's why I can't work with you, man. You always do this. Why do you mess everything up? Huh? I'm tired of you. You know what?
Guys, why are you fighting? Stop fighting.
Get off me. Off me.
I'm never working with you again.
You have to.
No.
Yes.
I'm done with you.
You don't understand, man. It's been so long. Every single time, you're always the one that's the best. You're always the one that gets all the fame. When
I'm
work
the
my
one
head
that
off.
gets the things right. You mess everything up.
There's simple mistakes, but that was because you always make fun of me, man.
When have I ever made fun of you? I never make fun of you. You make fun of yourself, bro.
Remember that time? That math test in Mr. Bowles' class?
What do you mean? I don't remember it all.
Think about it.
Who? Wally? Brown Sugar? I'll never be friends with him. I'll be friends with him when pigs fly.
How much area is on? Alright, I guess we already know about the subjects. Y'all are chit-chatting over there. We're gonna do a quiz on all this. Y'all ready? Alright, class. Absolutely no talking.
You hear that? You talking to you? Oh, this is easy.
Alright, class. I graded your quiz and they were absolutely terrible.
Oh wow. What did you get, man? Ha! Oh wow, let me see here. Man, you forgot the plus C. You should have paid attention in class. Loser. Don't forget the plus C next time. Sorry, man. I didn't mean to hurt you back then.
It's okay.
Yeah. Hey, you're good at math. Kind of suck at plus C's, but hey, everybody gets better. But hey, I didn't mean what I said last time.
You're a real wizard, man. I've always been looking up to you.
You're the best assistant a mathematician could ever ask for.
So are you guys gonna help me?
Should we help her?
I guess.
Okay, we'll help you. But,
Alright.
well, we won't mess it up this time.
We got this.
Okay, let's do it. Let's get you your hands back, even though they're already kind of small.
Alright, lady. Shouldn't have any problems this time. I think we fixed everything. This time, when you go into the time machine, you won't have pink hair. You won't have tiny hands. I mean, I guess they're already small, but you won't have tinier hands. So you should be okay. Just be careful.
Swear to
and good
God,
luck.
if this doesn't work.
Hey, it'll be my fault. Alright.
Finally, oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Dang it!